In this weekly analysis, we'll be looking at the GBPUSD, EURUSD, the dollar index, Australia USD, gold USD, USDJPY. We'll be starting with the GBPUSD. GBPUSD on my daily chart still remain uptrend. We see have a series of, have lower low, higher low, then we'll under higher low. So long we have this higher lows, the GBPUSD still remain uptrend. So long we see have this uptrend structure on the daily chart, we expect the GBPUSD to continue to push higher. So let's look at area of interest where we are supposed to buy the GBPUSD from on the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, let's draw out the support and resistance level on the weekly chart. Price close on this support level. So long price close on this support level, we expect the GBPUSD to continue to push higher this coming week. So we'll be expecting price to move to this next resistance level on the weekly chart. Then we'll be seeing price after that break of that level, seeing price to move to this next resistance level on the weekly chart. So these are my area that I'm looking for take profit this week, because I'm expecting the GBPUSD to buy this week. So we'll be expecting price to do a retest before we see the uptrend continuation. Price may do a retest to this level, then before we see price pushing higher to this level or this level, and move to this level and this level this week. So let's look at the monthly chart of the GBPUSD. GBPUSD on the monthly chart still close on its support level. So long price close on its support level, we expect price to continue to push higher until we see the monthly chart close before we can expect price to go down on this GBPUSD. If price close on this resistance zone, we expect price to push lower, but if price close above this resistance, we expect price to continue to push higher this on the GBPUSD monthly chart. So let's look at the structure of the GBPUSD on the monthly chart. On my monthly chart, we see have a downtrend structure. So long we have downtrend structure, this shows that the GBPUSD still remain down, but we are just trading a reversal trend of the GBPUSD. So let's go back to our daily chart. On our daily chart, we'll be looking at price action setup around this area for us to buy the GBPUSD. I'll be looking for buying opportunity around this support level to this resistance or this resistance level next week. So look out for buying opportunity on the GBPUSD. The next pair I'll be looking at now, the EURUSD. EURUSD on my daily chart still have an uptrend structure. So long we have this uptrend structure, we expect the EURUSD to continue to push higher this week. We have a lower low, we have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, we expect the EURUSD to continue to push higher. So we expect price to continue to push higher this week on the EURUSD. So let's look at the weekly chart level where we are supposed to buy the EURUSD from. On my weekly chart, price close on the support level. So long price close on the support level, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity on this support zone. So we're looking for a buying opportunity on this support zone on the weekly zone. And if you also check where price close, we also have a supply at this low. So we're expecting price to do a retest before we see a push to the top. So we expect price to do a retest. So after price do a retest of this supply, this demand zone, we will see price pushing higher to this next level for the EURUSD. So EURUSD, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity on EURUSD this week. So let's look at the monthly chart of the EURUSD. On my monthly chart, EURUSD close on the support level. So long price close on this support level, we expect price to continue to push higher for EURUSD. But the structure of EURUSD on the monthly chart still remain downtrend. You can see that we still have a downtrend structure on EURUSD. So long we have this downtrend structure on EURUSD, we are only trading reversal trend of EURUSD now. So we might also see price, if price fail to close above this resistance, we might see price pushing lower. So let's trade with caution on EURUSD. So, but this week we'll be looking for a continuation of the buying opportunity. So let's go back to our daily chart. On my daily chart, I'll be looking for price action setup on this support level, on this weekly zone, this weekly support zone to buy the Euro USD to the top. I will buy to the top on the Euro USD this week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the dollar index. The dollar index on my daily chart still remain downtrend. We still have a downtrend structure because we still have a higher high, then we have a series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high, the dollar index still remain on the downtrend. So what we expect this week, we expect the dollar index to continue to push lower. But before we do that, let's go to our weekly chart to plot out the resistance and support zone where we expect price to drop from. On my weekly chart, price close on this resistance zone on the dollar index. So long price close on this resistance zone on the dollar index, we expect the dollar index to continue to drop lower. So we expect price to do a test of this zone, then we'll foresee price pushing lower for the dollar index. Let's look at the monthly chart of the dollar index. On the monthly chart, price close on resistance level on the dollar index. So long price close on resistance level, we expect price to continue to push lower until we see monthly close before we can make any further decision on the dollar index. So we expect price to continue to push lower on the dollar index this week. But the structure of the dollar index on the monthly chart still remain on uptrend. We might see price reversal on the dollar index if the monthly chart close. So we are just trading reversal trend of the dollar index. So on my daily chart now, we're looking for a selling opportunity from this resistance zone to sell the dollar index back to the downside. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Australia USD. Australia USD on my daily chart still have an uptrend structure. So long we have this uptrend structure on the Australia USD, we expect price to continue to push higher. So we have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, we expect price to continue to push higher on the Australia USD. So let's look at our weekly chart where we expect to buy the Australia USD from. Australia USD on my weekly chart close on a support level on the weekly chart. We have a support zone at this A level. So long price close on this support zone, we expect price to push higher on the Australia USD. We expect price to push to this next resistance level on the Australia USD. So we are expecting price to push to this next resistance level on the Australia USD. So let's look at the monthly chart of the Australia USD. On the monthly chart, we also have the structure of the market, the trend of the market on Australia USD on the monthly chart still remain on the downtrend. We are just trading reversal of the Australia USD because price on the monthly chart close on this support level. So long price close on support level, we expect the Australia USD to move to this next resistance level before we see any further movement on Australia USD. So let's go back to our daily chart of the Australia USD. On my daily chart, we will be looking for a price action setup on Australia USD because we have a first breakout already on this Australia USD already. So we're looking for a price action setup on Australia USD to also buy the Australia USD back to the top. So we buy from this level to the top on Australia USD. So let's go to our next pair, which is the gold USD. Gold USD on the daily chart still have the uptrend structure. So we have the uptrend structure on the gold USD. So now we have this uptrend structure, we expect gold to continue to push higher this coming weeks. So let's look at the weekly chart of the gold USD. On my weekly chart, we are waiting for price to move to this next support level before we can look for any possible buying opportunity on gold USD. So if price moves to this support level, we're looking for our buying opportunity on the gold USD to the top. So let's look at the monthly chart of the gold USD. Gold USD on the monthly chart still remain uptrend. So now we have this uptrend structure on gold USD, we expect price to continue to push higher this week. So look for a buying opportunity on gold USD around this our support zone, but we also have a resistance here, a daily resistance here. If price gave us a signal from this daily resistance, we might be joining the gold USD buying opportunity to the top side. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USDJPY. USDJPY on my daily chart still remain downtrend because we have a downtrend structure. We have a high, we have a lower high, we have a series of lower highs. So long we have a series of lower high, we expect price to continue to push lower for the USDJPY. So let's look at the weekly chart of the USDJPY to draw the area we have to sell from. USDJPY on my weekly chart close on a resistance level. So long price close on a resistance level, we expect USDJPY to continue to push lower. So we expect price to do a test of this zone before we look out for the sell for the USDJPY. So we are selling to this next support level on the USDJPY. So let's look at the monthly chart of the USDJPY. USDJPY on my monthly chart still remain uptrend because price have an uptrend structure on the USDJPY. But price close on this resistance level. So low price close resistance level, we expect price to drop to this next support level. So we will be selling the USDJPY to this support level before we look for any further decision on the USDJPY monthly chart. So let's go back to our daily chart. On our daily chart, we'll be selling from this weekly resistance zone this week for us to sell the USDJPY. So look out for selling opportunity on the USDJPY. If my weekly analysis has been helping you so far, comment money in the comment section. Then if you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.